Hello and welcome to Digit. And in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Storite 3-pack HDMI Extender Female to Female coupler adapter. So basically these are it's a 3-pack, and this contains an HDMI Female to HDMI Female adapter. And let me just go ahead and open it up. Again, as you can see, it's a very simple package. And what do you get inside the case? So you get the 3 HDMI female to female extenders, and you get a Storite warranty card. So as you can see, it says Storite.in, 1-year warranty from date of purchase. And these are the female extenders. Now these extenders, again, they come in these little plastic packages. I'll just open one and show it to you. Right, so there you go. So it's a HDMI female to HDMI female adapter, and this is useful for when you want to actually connect. Say you have 2 HDMI cables, male to male, and you want to make a longer cable. So you can actually put this in between. You can connect one cable here and the other cable here, and you get a longer cable. So this basically acts for that purpose. So there you are, folks. That was the unboxing of the Storite 3-pack HDMI Extender Female to Female coupler adapter. Okay, we hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.